Mean to.
Just about almost
too big, yeah.
Good 5-pounder.
Is she notched? She is notched. Yeah, nice.
In she goes.
Yeah.
Alright, this side. On this side. Oh, girl. And in contrast, juvenile, male keeper. Yeah.
No way.
We're in about 25 feet of water. Looks male.
And we can take the females as long as they drop their eggs.
So do you.
and the one's guarding the other one.
No wick male. Oh, just there. Whew. In you go. That was number 3. Oh, I thought we had 2 over here already. No. That's another crab.
Or we already checked this one and forgot.
No, because there's out. Although there's not a place for them to go. Almost looks like it. Not as much as it bite me.
We're trying to let you go, fucker. We'll play some music over that section.
Yeah, chill.
Number 5 in progress. Baby boy.
There's a beauty. Don't even need to check. Eggs? Yeah. Oops.
Let go. Lots of eggs.
A lot of eggs. A little further.
Taking the traps out after you get done with the work. You gotta crack a beer. Look forward to seeing you next time.